Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will discuss the anatomical directional terms, which is a directional language used to reference points or areas of the human body. So let's start this video. A directional language of anatomy exists in order to minimize confusion when discussing areas or a specific position on the body. The directional language or terminology is used in reference to anatomical position. The anatomical position is when a person stands erect, face pointing forward, arm at the side, palms facing forward, and feet also pointing forward. If everyone is looking at the body in the exact same position, there will be less confusion when discussing anything related to anatomy. We are going to start with superior and inferior. Superior means toward the head and it can also be mean upper or above. Inferior means toward the feet and it can also be mean lower or below. For example, we would say heart is located superior to the small intestine, or we could say the small intestine is located inferior to the heart. So, let's move to the next slide. In this slide, we will discuss about anterior and posterior aspect of the body. Anterior means further to the front or in front of. Posterior means further to the back or in back of. So we would say the lungs are anterior to the spine, or we could say the spine is posterior to the lungs. Sometimes the terms ventral and dorsal are used in place of anterior and posterior, where ventral means anterior and dorsal means posterior. So, anterior and posterior can also be used to describe how you are looking at the body. While the body will always be referenced from the anatomical position, it can be viewed from an anterior view, meaning looking at the body from the front, like in this picture. And it can be viewed from the posterior view, meaning looking at it from the back, like in this picture. Let's move ahead. Medial and lateral are another set of directional terms. Medial means toward the midline of the body, and lateral means toward the side of the body or away from the midline of the body, where the midline is an imaginary line that divides the body into left and right halves. So we would say the heart lies medial to the lungs, or you could say the lungs lie lateral to the heart. Lateral can also be used to describe how you are looking at the body. While the body will always be referenced from the anatomical position, it can be viewed from a lateral view, meaning looking at the body from the side. In next slide, we will discuss about proximal and distal. Proximal and distal are terms that are usually used when describing parts of the appendicular body. Remember that the axial body consists of the head, neck, and trunk, and the appendicular body consists of limbs that are added to the axial body. Proximal means closer to the axial body or towards the trunk of the body, and distal means further from the axial body or further from the trunk of the body. For example, we would say that the thigh is proximal to the leg, or we can say the leg is distal to the thigh. So that's all about this video. In this video, we have just covered these terminology: superior, inferior, anterior, posterior, ventral, dorsal, medial, lateral, proximal, and distal. I hope these terms clear to you all, but still if you have any doubt regarding any terminology, then you can comment it below. Make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and press the bell icon. Do like, do comment, and do share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.